Hello, thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the sliding elbow strike. This is a technique we see as part of the pattern Hwarang Hyong. Now, with the sliding elbow strike, let's have a look at what the elbow is doing here. In an L stance position, I have my striking arm crossed underneath my retraction arm. That retraction hand is just pulling down and into my hip here. The striking arm is moving out and through here. It's a fairly short movement. I'm striking back behind me with my elbow. Now, as I strike, I'm trying not to use the very tip of my elbow. This is pretty sensitive. I'm trying to use this back face of the elbow here as I come through into the strike. It's a small thing, but it's an important part of using this strike. And we're here, out and through. It's basically a jabbing motion with that elbow. Like all elbows, this is a close range striking skill. I've got to be in close to my opponent. Let's take it a little faster. Right through here. Out and through. Out and through. And now a little faster yet. Go. 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 Again, it's not a real big movement of my arms. Now, we're doing this at the end of a slide. So what we're going to be doing is starting in a front stance this way. I'm going to get my arms ready. I'm going to pick up my back leg, bring it up in front of me, push off on my front leg, slide in this direction, and I'm coming into an L stance. And at the very end of this, I strike with my elbow. So again, we're here. I'm picking up my back leg, bringing it in front of me, push off, L stance, and strike. All right, again, I'm here. Got my arms ready. Bring my back leg up, push off, L stance, and strike at the end. Now let's take it a little faster. Turn, push, strike. All right, again. Turn, push, strike. Turn, push, strike. Now we can take it a little bit faster, yeah, all in one movement. Here. And go. Once more. Go. That's the way the technique works. Now let's try applying this to a target. This will come in if I could have your assistance. Now again, we're going to start with the basic elbow strike itself. We're not going to worry about that slide just yet. I'm going to set up here in my L stance. We're going to start, just find your target. Out and through here, just touch and push in. Touch and push. Again, I'm trying to use the back face of my elbow here, not the very tip. And that tip is pretty sensitive. I can strike with it, but I may not like what happens. If I'm using the back face of that elbow, that's going to work a little better for me. So just touch and push, find it. If I'm a little too far away, that's when I'm going to use the tip. If I'm just a little bit closer, I just gotta get cozy with it. I can use the back face. Then we'll go faster. Turn it into more of a strike. Even on its own, you can get a lot of power into that simple elbow. You can go a little faster yet. I like elbows, they're fun. Okay, once you're happy with your basic elbow, you're getting your distance, you're able to put it on target nice and reliably, then we'll add the strike, or the slide rather. I'm going to start back here. And again, start slowly. Pick up that back leg, turn, push in, and find your target. Be careful of your partner's front foot. They will not thank you if you slide onto their foot. Right again. Just pick up your back leg, pivot, slide, and find it. Don't try to go real fast or real hard yet. And again, give yourself enough space for this. If I'm in too close, this doesn't work real well. Give yourself enough room. Here and here. Once you've got a good feel for the distance and the mechanics of this, then try to take it a little faster and a little harder. You're getting your entire body mass into this movement, so it's going to arrive with a fair amount of power. We'll do one more of these. I'm not relying just on this alone. Thank you, Mr. Discount. So that is our sliding elbow strike. Practice with it carefully. Again, it may take a little work to get a good sense of your distance here. You may have to start off a little bit further back from your target than you think you do. Thank you very much for joining me.